So we have a 280C Mercedes with the key going to a lock, but unlocking. Steering wheel is locked. Actually, when you put the key in, you hear a sound. We don't hear nothing here. The shifter is locked, steering is locked, no turn. So we attempt to fix this problem. You remove the center console, all the instruments here, radios, controls, and everything else to get to the switch. Otherwise you won't be able to get it unless you can be going from the back. I don't know if it's possible. I remove this cover, and now we remove out the vent. It snaps off on the barrel. We're going to disconnect the harness right now and remove that as well. Pull the radio out like so. To remove the lower access panel, we're going to remove the fuel box cover. It snaps off. You can see that the center console is out. For your purpose, if someone wants to replace it, just disconnect the harness and remove it. And the electronic ignition is out of the car. Check for part number, so we test the ignition or replace the ignition, but then we need programming. I doubt if we'll be able to fix it. I will send it out for repair or buy another, program it. So that looks like. Okay, all set. Center console back in place. All the instrument panels there. Test them for work. Everything is nice to work. Job is done. So that's how you remove the center console. There's the panel complete. So it was time consuming, but this time we have the sound that we're looking for is the motor. That unlocks the car. Turn to the position, the car starts perfect. So everything is back normal. It was the key, and the switch had to be reprogrammed for the new key. So all good here. I hope this video helped you out.